Developing news right now at 6, a potentially deadly situation at a Rocky Hill nursing home. And a story we first broke on the Channel 3 app. The State Department of Health found Legionella bacteria in the water at Apple Rehab. Channel 3 Eyewitness News reporter Shantae Passmore is live to explain how this is not the first time this location has been in trouble. Shantae, what have you learned?
Aaron, you might remember back in 2019, we reported there was an outbreak of Legionnaire's disease at this facility. And while the state says that's not the case tonight, the bacteria that causes that disease is back in the water.
Tonight, Apple Rehab in Rocky Hill finds itself in hot water again. The Connecticut Department of Public Health issued an emergency order after water samples tested positive for Legionella at the nursing home, which currently houses 64 residents. The bacteria can grow and spread in water systems like shower heads, faucets, tubs, and other water sources. If anyone inhales droplets of this contaminated water, Legionnaire's disease can develop, a serious type of pneumonia. It can also be deadly, as we reported in the summer of 2019. 2 patients contracted it at the Rocky Hill nursing home. 1 person died. Fast forward to today, DPH reveals the 120-bed nursing home failed to provide adequate drinking and bathing water samples. The state says the facility conducted water testing last October, December, and again in January and March. On 1 or more occasions, the samples contain Legionella. Tonight, Apple Rehab tells Eyewitness News it's working closely with DPH in complying with recommendations. In a statement, it wrote in part, "The current water management program ensures the use of safe water at all times. The safety of our residents, staff, and visitors is our priority."
And so what does this mean exactly? Well, the emergency order includes things like no new residents are allowed to come into this nursing facility. Also, bottled water is required. All residents must be tested for Legionella. And also, lastly, Apple Rehab must come up with a correction plan by this Friday. Live in Rocky Hill this evening, Shantae Passmore, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.